that it's become one great big casino in which a bunch of selected people have gotten rich?
I think, we touched on this before. You can characterize anything as a bet. You can call it a casino. People call futures markets. Okay. They call the stock exchange a casino. Is the stock exchange a casino? Well, people can make and people can lose, but really, there's an extraordinary social purpose in allowing people to
bet on anything.
To think of it. You can characterize it that way, and some people did characterize it that way. But to take a risk or to hedge a risk. Look, if I'm an auto company and I want to build plant and equipment in South America, I might not do it if I can't hedge that currency. If I'm trying to finance an offshore oil well, that oil well may work if oil is trading at $80. If I could sell the oil that comes out of the ground or out of the ocean at $80 a barrel, but if it comes out at $40 a barrel, I'll go bankrupt. So no one will give me financing unless what? Unless I can lock in the price of oil at $80 a barrel. So I'm going to go to a market. I'm going to go to Goldman Sachs and say, I'd like to sell oil forward at $80 a barrel. Is that person betting on the price of oil? I guess you could say that. But what is that person really doing? They're hedging a risk that will allow that company to go out and invest $10 billion in extracting oil out of the market. That person is selling oil, but as a result of selling oil forward, what does the world get? It gets more oil, because now that person will invest in digging that well, and prior to that, they wouldn't be able to invest in digging the well because they don't know what the price of oil will be in 7 years. Now, in order to do that, you really need somebody to be on the other side. Who's going to buy that oil 7 years forward? It could be another client. It could be somebody who uses oil. It could be a speculator. It could be Goldman Sachs taking the other side. But there's a real social purpose in doing that. This idea of transferring risk has a very big, you could call it a casino, but if it is, it's a very socially important casino.
Thank you again. Lloyd Blankfein, CEO of